Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Agastya's Vlogs. So today I'm going to review the inside of this blower, and you can see it has a big battery, and these are the wires, red and also the black ones, and this is the fan, and it is very powerful. I'm going to show you, and it is OPOLAR company. It is OPOLAR company blower, and is a very good quality. And this is the port for charging this, because this is a rechargeable battery, so you don't need to buy any batteries because it has a rechargeable port and it is rechargeable battery. And I'm going to review the fan. I'm going to review it, and this is the cover so that it can blow the air front side, and it should not blow the other side, otherwise the blower will not give air. That's why it is very important. Every blower has it, like this type ones, portable one. And this is the switch for the power. I'm gonna test it. Wow, it runs very fast. I'm gonna show you in full speed. It runs very fast, so you guys have seen it. So it's not that charge, that's why it's running a bit slow. I will put it in charge and it will run very fast, but I am reviewing the inside of the parts right now, so that's why I will not do it. This is the ring, so, and this is the switch. It looks like a mouse switch. It looks like the switch of a computer mouse. You guys have already seen it, but this is the blower ones. Okay, bye bye.